Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody on Facebook, Everblog's Facebook page, had a question about the nudge distance. He's trying to do things with 1/16 of an inch and 1/32 of an inch, and he's having a problem with his nudge factor. He's trying to type in point, I'm reading here, 0.0625. You hit enter, it rounds it up to 0.063. Well, let's do this. Let's move this. Let's Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to move it over. And we'll zoom in here so these lines are really close together. But the way to get your more decimal places is go up to Tools, Options, Edit. And you can change it to 5 or more decimal precision places and hit OK. Now you can see it's 0.0625. What you entered. So it is rounding up on the screen, but it's actually giving you that dimension. So we'll take this back and nudge it over, and it's putting it right back where it was. So even though Corel is showing you a different decimal place, it actually is doing the right amount. But it is comforting to know that that is 0.0625. So you can do that, go to Tools, Options, Edit, and let's go to 6 as high as it's going to let you go. Let's go 0.06255, and you still get that number. So you can go 6 decimal places, or you can just leave the 3 and put in that number, and it is going to move that line that amount. So Tools, Option, I'm going to put it back to 3 because I don't need it. Well, let's just do that. So now we're at 0.063, but let's go 0.0625 and move it. And then it actually is 0.063 because it rounded up. Let's just double check it one more time. Tools, Options, 5 decimal places. And see, it's 0.0625. So it's doing the right calculation. It's just not showing you the calculation. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.